Okay guys, here's not a shot you get too often. We're up in the top of the greenhouse just making a panorama of all the hanging baskets that we have in here. There's just thousands of them hanging from the rafters in the greenhouse all the way up to the peak. Just want to show you a couple really beautiful things, beautiful petunias. I know we're all ready. We are ready for that. Some geraniums in the background. These green ones that are right down in the foreground here are fuchsias that are just looking wonderful, and they'll be popping out those flowers soon. But just take a look at all the beauty that's in here. We have just got it all full for you and ready to go. So May 4th we're opening, Monday, May 4th, Mother's Day week. We'll be happy to see you then. Stay tuned.